Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this POCO smartphone. First of all, open Devices Calendar. In it, click on the month above and pick a date. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on Event from the list. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Then select starting hour and ending one. You can also disable this feature completely by selecting this switcher next to all day. Following that, click on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, select Does Not Repeat. Now you can also add people, videos, and even just add location. If you wish to set up location, choose one of those options while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then you can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, take some notes, add attachments, and even change its color. To save it, choose Save at the top right corner and tap on OK in this pop-up if something is wrong. Then you need to correct it and tap on Save then. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner of it. Then change whatever you wish to. And discard your changes by tapping on this X icon at the top left corner, or save them by choosing Save at the top right one. Now, to get rid of your event completely, click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!